Hi guys, Silent Trades, and today I want to make a trade recap on this GBPUSD trade which I'm currently in. So far everything is looking good, but let me trail my stops because I do not know how long this volatility is going to last, as this 15-minute candle is closing. So essentially let's get back to the initial trade idea. So on the high time frame, I'm expecting the price to spur to the downside very deep. Yeah, what I was looking for since London session, I did not get. I initially had a bearish bias. So for this candle is flipping, I think this could be the high of the day. So far how this candle is behaving, this 4-hour candle, that could be the high of the day. Yeah, so what I was looking for in this price action, during the early New York session, let me close this trade manually. Then I hate it when I have contradictory ideas in my head. I can decide to close it manually, I can decide to trail this stop. It's messing with my head already. Let me close it manually, confirm it. Damn it. So it can do whatever it wants. So what I was looking for is psychology. I really have a problem of closing position when I'm in drawdown. I do not know how I will fight it and win it. So anyway, what I was looking for during the London session, I annotated this CB right here. I think it's yesterday on Monday when I was doing weekly chart markup. So what I was looking for is how this 4-hour BC have a 15-minute BC inside of it, a CB inside of it. So also during the London session, the EURUSD swept a little bit this high, which I encountered a loss on it. This high right here, which presented itself during 5 a.m. in the New York session of Thursday last week. I think I'm already out of this trade right now, but I think I made a terrible mistake. I could have made much more if I did not close inside of drawdown. I had a little bit of a FOMO side of this trade because I entered with a very large position size, which led to my position to be, when I was in drawdown, I believe I was in a drawdown of like $30, which I'm not yet accustomed of, but I decided to close in a drawdown, but I learned my mistake. I should not have lost anything at all. So I should not have lost anything at all. I could have made like $30 minimum according to the position size, but the problem I had was just I entered a position with a lot more than usual. So how I decided to enter on this position right here, we've seen the price jumping higher towards this previous day's high, which is Monday, and this previous day's high was from the side of this CB right here, which is a 4-hour, which I have refined it to the 15-minute CB right here. You can see it collected right here. It was formed during New York also at 11 a.m. So the reason why I decided to enter this short position was that we swept the previous day's high side of this CB, which is also a higher time frame PDRA, and there was some kind of an SMT right there on the 1 minute time frame. I do not know if you can see it very clearly, but I anticipated it. My change in state of delivery happened right here when price closed below this low, which was formed at 738. So at 738 you can see that the price closed below it and started to push higher. My thought process when the price started to reverse to retrace inside of this area, I was monitoring this 1 minute CB right here, which formed at 748. And also if you pull down the Euro USD chart, you can see that the price already was pumping lower. It was dumping a lot faster, maybe even than GBPUSD. So I was expecting some rapid push towards the downside, at least to retest the highs of London. So I'm already out of this trade, but so far it has been good. My goal was to reach at least my initial TP was this low right here, which is the last low of the first it was the first engineered liquidity of New York session. So far we have made the top of New York session, and there is a possibility that we might continue lower by the premise of open high low close. Yeah, there is still a lot of room to the downside. The Asian lows, which were never swept, and so far I will not get any other re-entry. This is enough for me. My daily target have been reached, even though I could have made a little bit more. So I entered as long as I seen this price closing below this intermediate term low right here, and price got me into a little bit of drawdown. I realized how much I was risking, which was a lot, to be fair. So I closed down some amount, which was pretty a lot, and then the price just spilled to the downside. So my initial target was this low right here, which I believe could be reached, even though I'm not in the trade already. So we will see how this goes. So far we might even reach the Asian lows, but to reach the previous day's low, so the previous day's low was already swept. Sorry, we will see how the price behaves. So far everything is great right now, but yeah, that was my thought process, and I'm going to journal it. So far we will see how the price action behaves. We are retesting the new week opening gaps high. We will see if we can reach the London's low. I have not showed the SMTs which were forming on this high. So it was pretty much the higher time frame SMT which confirmed this sales idea. Yeah, that is why this bearish PDRA started. This said left side of the curve started to respect the right side of the curve. So I think that's it. Let me see how long it took. I entered right here, I guess, and got out as price started. Let me use this. I entered on this candle right here before the new our candle opened side of 8 7:45 macro and exited my positions right here on this retracement 28 minutes. Yeah, it took me 28 minutes to be out of this trade, so we'll see if it could have got even more lower. Yeah, let me take a screenshot of this. Yeah, I just made the screenshot of this. We will see if the price can reach the Asian lows so far. So as you can see, the target was ultimately reached. So thank you. Subscribe and follow for more.